Introduction. Your health is your greatest asset and one of the smartest investments you can make. While many focus on building wealth, neglecting wellness often leads to costly consequences. Prioritizing health not only enhances your quality of life, but also reduces expenses and increases productivity, resulting in long-term financial stability. The true cost of poor health. Healthcare expenses are a major burden, especially for those managing chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or obesity. These illnesses require costly medications, frequent doctor visits, and hospitalizations. For instance, managing diabetes can cost up to $9,600 annually in the US alone. Beyond medical costs, poor health affects your ability to work, reducing productivity and limiting earning potential. Missing work due to illness disrupts income and career growth, creating a cycle of financial strain. Preventive health, a cost-saving strategy. Prevention is always cheaper than treatment. Adopting simple habits such as regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and proper hydration significantly lowers the risk of chronic diseases. Preventive measures like vaccinations and screenings safeguard against costly illnesses. For example, investing $50 in annual flu vaccinations can save hundreds in missed workdays and healthcare costs. Studies show that individuals who exercise regularly save up to 30% annually on medical expenses compared to those who don't. Importantly, the recommended 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly, such as brisk walking or cycling, is achievable without spending on gym memberships. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive either. Purchasing seasonal produce, meal prepping, and focusing on whole foods can reduce costs compared to relying on processed or takeout meals. Over time, these habits save money while improving your health. Financial benefits of healthy lifestyle choices. Healthy living translates to real financial savings. Avoiding harmful habits like smoking or excessive drinking reduces medical expenses and lowers insurance premiums. Smokers, for example, pay up to 20% more in health insurance premiums. Incorporating a balanced diet and staying active reduces the likelihood of developing expensive chronic conditions like cancer or diabetes, saving thousands over time. Drinking more water instead of sugary or costly beverages is another simple way to cut daily expenses while staying hydrated and healthy. Workplace wellness and economic gains. Healthier employees are more productive, take fewer sick days, and perform better at work. Many employers recognize this and offer wellness incentives, such as gym memberships, free health screenings, or financial rewards for meeting fitness goals. For example, companies like Google and Johnson & Johnson report increased employee productivity and reduced healthcare costs through their workplace wellness programs. Participating in these initiatives not only enhances your health, but also helps reduce personal expenses. The role of mental health in financial stability. Good mental health is essential for making sound financial decisions. High stress, anxiety, or untreated mental health issues can lead to poor work performance, impulsive spending, and strained relationships, all of which have financial consequences. Practicing mindfulness or using low-cost mental health tools like Headspace or Calm can improve focus and reduce stress. Incorporating these habits can prevent long-term costs associated with untreated mental health conditions while boosting productivity and well-being. Small investments, big returns. Improving your health doesn't have to be expensive. Small, budget-friendly steps can yield significant benefits over time. Meal prepping saves money and ensures healthier eating habits. Preparing meals at home can cut food costs by 50% compared to dining out. Daily walks, a free and simple activity, just 30 minutes of walking a day, can reduce healthcare costs by 10 to 20%. Hydration. Drinking water instead of sugary drinks saves money and improves health. Affordable tools like a $10/month fitness app or a $20 yoga mat can also help you stay active without breaking the bank. These small investments lead to substantial long-term savings by preventing costly health issues. Conclusion. Investing in your health today is a decision that pays dividends for years to come. By adopting healthier habits, you reduce medical expenses, enhance productivity, and safeguard your financial future. Remember, health is the foundation of true wealth. Start small, stay consistent, and prioritize wellness. It's the smartest financial move you can make. What's your favorite affordable health habit? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on investing in your health and financial well-being. Share this with someone who could benefit, and let's create a healthier, wealthier future together.